Good day, everyone. This is the FLY360 flight computer. This is going to be step one, I guess. So you've got your brand new FLY360. One of the first things I'm going to want you to do is actually set the device up for you. So you power the unit on for your you Glow guys that bought the device from the UPAC show. Just slide this button here over for a couple seconds. It'll turn on. Right. The first screen that you get is Fly, Kobo, Profile, Power Off, and Simulation Mode. Either Fly or Simulation Mode will do the same thing for the setup section of it. The Kobo button here actually boots this thing back into Kobo mode to be an e-reader. So in that mode, connected to your computer, you can copy your radio manual, your pilot's license, your medical, whatever other sort of PDF documents or EPUB documents you want. So we're going to go into simulation mode for this one. All simulation mode lets you do is actually fly the aircraft and turn it around so you can see what it would do in the air, which is kind of fun. It's a topology file. Okay, very first screen. I want you to go down to menu down here, configuration page 2. We're going to go LK 8000 setup. Okay, we've got system setup, which we don't need to do, aircraft setup, and pilot setup. These are the two I want you to set up right now. So let's do aircraft first. Here you get to choose what type of aircraft you are. GA aircraft is for anything with an engine. I don't care if it's chainsaw motors or a Rotax or anything else. All right. Paraglider, hang gliders, paramotor guys. This is the one you want, and glider guys up here. Okay. That changes some of the default settings and things that it's out of the box on the screen gonna do. The glider guys, you're gonna get thermals, FAI triangles and contests and stuff like that. GA aircraft is more designed, like I said, anything with an engine. So choose the type of aircraft you have. And here just choose type, find something that's close to what you have. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Your max speed, your handicapped, that's for competition. So aircraft type, this is I have a Toucan 305D. There's my aircraft registration. Okay, this is for your logbook. Competition class, these two are if you're doing FAI triangles or paragliding competitions or stuff like that. For most of you guys, it's just going to be the aircraft type, the aircraft registration, and what category you're in. Okay. Next thing I want you to do, go back to that screen. So config 2. LK 8000. We want to do the pilot setup now. Okay, so pilot name is all you need to do. If you're going to do any live tracking, once again, this is for the paramotor guys and the paraglider guys. I don't know of a lot of those competitions in Canada. These are usually in Spain and whatnot, but you could connect to their server to see where the other stuff is. Everyone else, just put in your pilot name. What this does for you is when you go flying, as I mentioned in the demo video, it does do automatic logbook. So if we go info, page 2, logbook, you want the details or the logbook list. Let's go logbook details, and it lists all my flights and their flight times, the durations. Let's get to something valid here. So this is 10:30. It gives you the date up here, where you took off from, takeoff time, flight time, 2 minutes, 19 seconds. It looks like I was obviously doing touch and goes, and so on and so forth. All right, so that is step one. Once again, like I said, config page 2, LK 8000 setup, aircraft setup, pilot setup. You can add multiple aircrafts if you're flying multiple aircrafts, and you can add multiple pilots if you have multiple people, like a trainer aircraft, multiple pilots flying on one screen. Where you change that is when you first power on the device. It would be profile, and you would select the profile here, either aircraft or pilot, and then you can switch them between all your different aircrafts and all the different pilots that are flying. Okay, thank you very much. Any questions, leave me a comment on Facebook, and we will go from there.